We want to weed out the corrupt elements of in the Kenya Pipeline and National Oil Corporation. And in the entire ministry, we want to ensure corruption will not be entertained.
Minister wa weji wa maguta na mahiga magoro John Munyes kuga uthuthuria ni ugwikwo hari ngukumio ya kaboni ya Kenya Pipeline. Mawakiri maria marugamirire munini wa mushirithania munene Philomena Mwilu kurigoti ritigetikire wakiri uri uraheirwo gutongoria mwena wa thitango Hawar Kereshi kurugamirira ciro cio.
For our sports programs, for our arts programs, and these are programs that will benefit you. Alafu tuseme tupatie kijana, mimi afadhali nikae na huyo mzee bwana achunge hiyo pesa itumike vile inatakikana.
Mutongoria wa bururi gutetera itua riake ria kwamuroria wari munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Mudia Wori ari mumemba wa bodi ya kurugamirira ukuria wa mathako na unduire. Na mubunge wa Kandara Alice Wahome kwendekithia mutaratara wa watho wa guthaitira mwana wa kahii hindi ya kugimara.